Okay guys, welcome, and today we're playing Rivals Feud. I got energy bundle, like you know, and we're playing the mirror matchup. That's only to 3, so when you and the fake cheats was yesterday, so but yeah, we're playing it. My audio should be here really good because I put it really high. I don't know if you can hear me still. What the hell did just happen? Am I still connected? Yes, okay, I try to talk a little more like with a higher voice, not higher, but like so you can hear me better. If I scare him, I'm sorry. I still have a cold. My last videos were yesterday. Peter Hena, yes sir. I don't like Splasher, like dogs. I don't like either. Flipping Splash. Oh yeah, that's everyone uses random weapons. So good with these things, but I'm good with short. No. Oh, round 1. I need to make my tasks. Then I can go to weapon task. I already made one because I didn't do yesterday's task. How to switch to the don't know the mode in Gunblades. Simply one. That's good. Oh, there's my first. That's actually kind of good, but and I did propose myself. I'm using PC. Okay. We're losing this session. I'm not losing. Yep. Assault the rifle. Ooh la la, what the hell are you doing? I dare try to not skip on this. Why won't they step on those things? And what the hell is this? I'm using paintball gun. I'm using the crosshair like this, but for some reason they do it. And I think we do not man. Oh, this seems a bit good. This series of last episode. We're done. We're done. Oh, film terror. It's okay, but I don't think. Am I the last dude? No, I do not like being the last dude. We're done! We're done! Ah! I'm at HP. I'm not at HP anymore. It's almost. You know what? That's what I'm doing. Actually, oh no, I don't want that. What? Where the hell am I in here? I'm not allowed. Because I did not want to. By pair shaking window, you can switch gunblade modes by pair shaking windows. What the hell? You get them all on the 5th page, but I'm on the 3rd page. 4th, 5th. The end of the 5th. Yeah, I'm in here. Okay, I want to play something normal, maybe 5. Yes, 5. It gets the bigger maps. Maybe we can do some or something. Blah, blah, blah. Don't ask why I did this. And say when the like game audio is to like you don't hear it, but hears me too well. But okay, let's go shotgun. That's my normal loadout. I'm using it the most. Wars doesn't do, but in team deathmatch I can't use it. Go Wallers, ready. Okay. Yeah, we have 150. With the headset you can actually almost done in this section. Oh, actually we're not done. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, I'm going with that. Going with energy pistols, because I hate snipers. I actually hate this thing. Just snipe something. Wait, did I even got? Yes, I got even for a sniper. You type, okay. But if there's a good snipers in my team, then I don't hate them so much, and I'm just like, oh, his player is really good. My player appreciating is good. I don't know what the player appreciating means. So I don't know. They're all using literally snipers. Energy pistols. Okay. This still eliminated this. I hate that there's one kind of players that I actually hate. Those are the fist sweats, and this dude just reminded me that I hate fist sweats. And we won. That's good. That's good. Because I play Taxi Boss too in my free time. Is there someone here? Where the hell is this? These guys. I eliminated him! Yay! Match point. Yeah, I saw that they're using snipers, so I think. Why does one DFS? They try to deflect those things. Which is okay. What the? I hate this. What the hell is this fire? I don't care. I'm just kidding. You can't hear me planking today, then. I think you can't. Because I'm using headphones and I can't hear how. So I need to like talk a little bit and I don't know. How the hell How the hell are these people die so much? Something's not right here. Match points. When it comes to sudden death, then I'm rage quitting. I test if on accident sudden death. What the hell just happened? I think I have a WhatsApp call. Have a WhatsApp call. Have a WhatsApp call. I'm joining it right away. I'm gonna join it. Yes. Wait. What? What? It comes to sudden death. Don't it? Don't it? I can't move my... Now what? Doing this for a moment then because I need to... What the hell do I have when... What the hell? What the hell? You're seeing one thing in here, but using just my show blocks, but there's actually one thing I need to do. Sorry for when you need to wait. Google translate images. I need to take photo. Use photo. No. Version. Sorry for spin. Needing to wait, but. Ma ei tea, ma panen selle kinni. Okay, wait, did I just talk in Estonian? Fredrik, I just talked in Estonian, but you don't hear it. I said I'm going to close it now, like that. But yeah, now we need to play 112 more. Oh, I got this. Ninja Star. Okay. Just don't always just. I don't like those really much, but okay. Let's go and play something. Let's do. I need to win that one. Oh. I just when you didn't hear me for a second, sorry. Okay, now sorry for screaming, but this is the longest video, I think. Yeah, that's been an hour, I think. Not an hour, but Not a full hour, but something like it. Okay, we're going to be in the same cave. Climb the crane. Not to peak. Explosions allow you to fly across the map. I don't know why I said it. No, actually. Okay, I'm gonna update one thing. Let's go for team deathmatch. Okay, shotgun, energy pistol, Tana and detonate. It didn't count as a... I still need to win this thing. No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I need to go to the hub. Then go boost. What the hell does it do? I don't know if I can, but let's try out, because for some reason I have like followed them and everything, but it just doesn't let me. I have followed them. I mean the community. Nursing games, let's post. Yep. Nothing's wrong. But okay, let's play then. 3v3, please be that. There's some more players. Okay, I'll get the ready. Factory, what's that? I haven't played Factory. I want the Factory. No, big arena. It's big arena with the real with the Wii. Didn't know it. Okay, but okay, I want to just Wii. Oh, that's I don't know why. Now you're actually kidding me. We're gonna lose this game. Die. Now you're kidding me. We need to. That's unfair. Oh! I actually killed one of those guys. Okay, let's try this thing. I'm going back to the No, we're losing. That's. I think I'm going to do 1v1 with some random game later. You're kidding me. Both of them were offline. Nah. To hub, I'm going to hub. I'm just doing a one-way one with someone. This dude's better than me. Dogs. Hey, Arena. Okay, let's go with my normal loadout. Loadout. I don't know how to like say it. And I'm losing. No, what is that? I'm doing. I'm not using. I won. Good. I'm doing the same thing. Press the jump button. How much pink do I have? I have around 43 pink. Okay, but okay. I'm losing. No. I need to get this task done. I need to. I think I'm going in fire. My game gets really laggy. Yeah. I just want to win. I'm literally in try-hard mode. Roblox knows I want to rage quit. I have 30 keys, 10 more keys. And it's done. And I get the set. I'm going in 5. Level 41. This dude again. It's been around an hour since I started the recording, but It felt so quick. That's normal, actually. Big backlash rooms. You're freaking kidding me. Okay, but it's good for this. Like it can. Okay, here comes. What? I can't see it. Yeah, okay, it's unfair teams and we're still losing with it. This is level 30 player. Oh! Before I got to level 35 or like 40, I was a mobile player actually. So going back to my shotgun, baby. Yeah. Did I even use the one? I think it's useful. So. We're losing. I need that 12 win. Just slightly. Oh, there's someone better. This dude has a sniper. It's level 119 versus level 8. You saw him. You saw him. Kill him. This guy. It takes a minute to kill us. We're gonna lose. This time I'm not using it. This Mario Kart, I hate him. We lose. Well, we lose. Please kill him. This is gonna be I can't tell about my team. Is it good or not? Switch. What? What? Okay, just come to my. We're losing. I know it. Know that. Wait, I can't move again. Oh, I can. Shoot, he's there. Oh. Okay. Maybe. Actually, I'm not gonna say it. And they just okay. You need to kill this one guy. You need to. Or I'm gonna rage quit. Okay. He's there. See him? After this second, then I'm gonna rage quit. So now I lose. I'm rage quitting. I'm rage quitting. Maybe play something else. So, I don't even know. How are we gonna play something else or not? Jump to the gun sniper. I don't know. Disputer and ignited sandbox energies. Climb it. No. I'm gonna maybe play something else, but I don't even know. No, I'm not gonna play something else. Bye!